It's day 30. Can you believe it? I'm actually a little sad that this is over. You have hung in there. Let me tell you. If you have not started from day one and you're randomly finding this video, I highly recommend that you go back to day one. You just click on my name, my YouTube channel, go to the playlist area, and scroll down. You will find the Write Your Own Headlines Challenge playlist where you can go and listen to every single day or watch every single day. We started off with clarity, a week of clarity. We then went to a week of confidence, then a week of capital where we kind of reset our mindset about money. And then we had a challenge week, a mini challenge within the challenge to make an additional 100, 500, or $1,000. And now what I'd like for you to do is I'd like you to share your headline with us in the comments if you would like to. If you'd like to keep it to yourself and just focus on it, have it in your journal, tape it to your wall, do whatever you'd like so that you see it. That is completely okay. Just let me know in the comments. I'm going to hold it for myself, but I did complete the assignment. Let us know the biggest takeaways for you. What was your favorite week? Did you have a chance to complete the mini challenge? And what are you going to take away from this? What are you going to do next? What is the plan? Because it can't just be something written down. You have to walk towards it. If you're not familiar with my story, I was homeless and on food stamps for most of my adult life, housing insecurity, however you want to frame it, but I didn't have a permanent home for most of my adult life. And I bounced around, and I always thought, oh, I'm really smart and I'm really like I go after things. I'm not lazy. Why can't I make this work? And there are a few things that happen. That's why I had to put together two books. It's About Damn Time and Your First Million. Highly recommend you pick up that or get the audio versions of them. But I always thought, why am I not successful? Why am I so unsuccessful? And there were just a few things that I've shared with you in this 30-day challenge that have restructured my entire life. They changed the outlook of my entire life. So I wanted to share them with you. I wanted to give you kind of scratch the surface to start thinking about those things. And I've enjoyed so much this time together. Now, as I've mentioned, you may be watching this way after I recorded it originally, but that's okay. I look at every single comment that comes through my YouTube channel before they hit the publish button. So leave a comment no matter when you're seeing this. In fact, it'll be really exciting to me to know that day after day after day, people are discovering this video. Leave a comment. Let me know those takeaways. Let me know what your favorite week was. Let me know what your headline is, most importantly. What is your headline? And how will you accomplish that? Or if thinking about accomplishing it is too overwhelming, what is the first step? The first micro step you will take to walk towards your destiny.